Don't let this thermometer fool you. It may be 60 degrees on the deck in the sun, but the temperature is really only 29. It's a gorgeous day out. We had that horrible snow and ice, freezing rain that turned into ice. It made a coating on top of everything. So as you could see, this is all ice on top of there. But I wanted to share some news with you today, and I figured since it was so nice and sunny, I would come out and sit on the deck to talk to you. So I wanted to share my news. So, you know how with all the monetization that's going on, people are watching each other's videos and doing shares, and I found a lot of really neat new gardeners that way. And the other night I was watching Ryan over at A Little Dirt Never Hurt, and he was doing a series on his community plot. So it got me to thinking, I know at one time there were community gardens here in my town, but it was being run by a young girl. She was doing it all on her own, and I think life got in the way after the second year. She just couldn't devote as much time to it. So I thought I remembered something about the county offering community gardening. So I went online and looked for that, and they do. There's a couple of key perfect parts. One is the plots are on the way to work, so it's not really out of my way. The other thing is it's free. Can't ask for more than that. They also provide the water, and the pieces of property are about 15 by 20, sometimes a little bit larger. And I already asked the woman about it. She's putting my name on the list. I have to fill out an application, but she's fairly certain I should have a plot of my own. And the thing I really like is it's flat. There won't be any climbing a hill to get to it. So I'm really excited about this, and I wanted to thank Ryan for doing his series on his community garden, because I don't think I ever would have thought of this. And now I have a chance to have a little spot that's flat, that's free, and that has water on it, that I can grow more vegetables, because I'm amping up my storing food this year. So I just wanted to share that with you today on this beautiful winter day in February. Excuse me. The sun is out, and it's a good thing, because tomorrow we're expecting another big storm, 6 to 8 inches of snow and freezing rain on top. So I'm glad I could get outside today and share my news with you. Please give me a thumbs up if you like today's video. Subscribe so that you could join me on that journey. I have no idea how it's going to be, and I'd love to have you come along. So have a great day, and happy gardening.